At a time when India is fighting a battle against COVID-19 pandemic, the coastal cities are preparing themselves for a new challenge. A tropical storm cyclone Amphan is fast approaching Indian coastal states and it is more likely to turn severe in the next 12 hours. The IMD said the cyclone will turn into an extremely severe cyclonic storm over the Bay of Bengal at 2:30 am and it is further likely to intensify into a super cyclonic storm in the next 12 hours. It is expected to cross the coast of West Bengal and Bangladesh on May 20th. According to a bulletin which was released by the IMD, it is very likely to move north and northeastwards and move fast across the northwest Bay of Bengal and cross West Bengal and Bangladesh coast between Digha and Hatia Island during 9 to 12 pm on 20th May 2020. Coastal Odisha is likely to experience light to moderate rainfall at many places with heavy falls at isolated places from Monday evening. Fishermen have been advised not to venture into North Bay of Bengal along and off West Bengal Odisha coast from May 18 to 21st of May, and those who are out in the sea were asked to return to coast by May 17th. Cyclone Amphan is likely to bring heavy rainfall coupled with strong wind in coastal Odisha and West Bengal from Monday. In Bengal, the rain is expected to lash the districts of North and South 24 Parganas, Kolkata, Purba, Paschim Mednipur, Howrah and Hooghly. Odisha, which has been ravaged by a string of cyclones over the last few years, including the cyclone Fani which happened last year, has made arrangement to shift 11 lakh people from vulnerable areas. 12 coastal districts, Ganjam, Gajpati, Puri, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara, Bhadrak, Balasore, Mayurbhanj, Jajpur, Cuttack, Khurda and Nayagarh are all on high alert. The weather body also warned that the high-velocity winds may cause extensive damage to mud houses and partial damage to pakka structures. The winds may also lead to bending or uprooting of power and communication poles, minor disruptions on railway, and may affect overhead power lines and signaling systems and also cause widespread damage to standing crops and plantations. As many as 17 teams of National Disaster Response Force have been deployed in Odisha and West Bengal, while 7 teams of the force have been deployed in 6 districts of West Bengal, including South 24 Parganas, North 24 Parganas, East Midnapur, West Mednipur, Howrah and Hooghly. 10 teams are on alert in 7 districts of Odisha, including Puri, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapara, Jajpur, Bhadrak, Balasore and Mayurbhanj. A yellow alert has also been issued in Karnataka's Mangalore after heavy rains lashed the city, inundating some of its areas. Heavy rains were witnessed in parts of coastal Karnataka as well, in Malanad and the south interior region. The Met Department has predicted rainfall for 3 more days. If you want to see how severe is this cyclone, then watch this video. The visuals show gusty winds caused due to cyclone Amphan pushing the bus back, which later hits a nearby tree. This video is from Telangana's Khammam, which is also expected to be affected due to cyclone Amphan.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
अगर आपको हमारा यह वीडियो पसंद आए तो शेयर कीजिए। अगर यह वीडियो आप फेसबुक पर देख रहे हैं तो आप हमें लाइक कर सकते हैं, ट्विटर पर हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं और यूट्यूब पर हमें सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।